Do you remember these familiar faces? That's right, Lightning McQueen and Mater are back.
Oh, you've got to be joking.
And they're putting the pedal to the metal in the all-new Disney Pixar's Cars 2.
Lightning McQueen!
Today we're down in Docklands in Melbourne for the Disney Pixar Cars Truck Tour.
Oh, that's what we like to hear.
Folks, come in.
Are we all ready to drive a car today? Yeah!
The go-karts, they're really fun.
To celebrate the premiere of Cars 2 in June, Mack Trucks have created a full-scale replica of Mack the Transporter. Cars 2 sees Lightning McQueen and Mater head overseas to compete in the World Grand Prix.
Wish me luck. You go get it, buddy.
They also make some interesting new friends along the way.
Hi, I'm V8 supercar driver Mark Winterbottom, but my friends, they call me Frosty.
This is a beautiful lap so far.
The Frosty character is a pretty fast character. He runs the Australian flag, so he's very Australian. He gets to meet Lightning McQueen, which is a very cool thing for any car, I'm sure. And I get to race him in Japan.
Domo arigato.
The first thing you do when you're voicing a cartoon character is go into the studio. I put on my best voice, and then they lip sync the cartoon character to my voice.
What? Oh, that's funny.
You're gonna have to keep your eye out for Frosty. He's gonna be a very fast character.
So make sure you keep your eyes and ears open for the Disney Pixar Cars Truck Tour as it roars around Australia.